The Crown Princess arrived in Australian waters last month on October 26, 2024, and will spend 7 months in Australia until the 31st of May 2025. In this video, I want to share the frequently asked questions that Australians have about the Crown Princess. My name is Julian Rembrandt. I'm Australian and have been working in the travel promotions industry for the last 20 years. I've worked for large online travel companies such as lastminute.com, booking.com, Secret Escapes, and now back with Travelzoo. The Crown Princess was built in 2006 and the last refurbishment was in 2018. The ship received updates to its dining venues, staterooms, and enhancements to the spa and fitness centre. The ship can hold 3,080 guests and carries a crew of 1,200. In terms of ranking compared to other Princess cruise ships, there is a website, travel.usnews.com, that ranks Princess ships 1 to 15. Crown Princess is ranked 8 out of 15, which is midway in the fleet. Okay, let's get into the Crown Princess facilities. There are 4 pools on board. Calypso Pool is the main pool with lounges, hot tubs, and movie under the stars on a big screen. Neptune's Pool, which has hot tubs, daily activities, and music. The Sanctuary requires an access fee and is an adults-only quiet retreat with comfortable lounges and cabanas. And Lotus Spa Pool is a wellness-focused pool connected to the spa. Dining included in your fare are the main dining rooms, Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Da Vinci, serving up traditional multi-course meals with varied menus each day. The Horizons Court Buffet is open throughout the day and provides casual international fare. The Trident Grill offers burgers, hot dogs, and other comfort foods by the pool. Specialty dining at an additional cost includes Crown Grill Steakhouse, Sabatini's Italian Trattoria, and Vine's Wine Bar is a casual spot offering sushi, tapas, and a variety of wines by the glass. Entertainment venues on board include the Princess Theatre, where you'll find the main shows including musical performances, dance productions, and comedy acts. The Explorers Lounge and Club Fusion for live music, dancing, and trivia games. Movie Under the Stars is an open-air poolside screen that plays movies and sporting events under the night sky. The Adagio Bar offers live piano music and evening cocktails. And finally, Gatsby's Casino for having a flutter. In the upcoming Australian 24-25 summer season, the Crown Princess will be circumnavigating Australia and then sailing the Queensland coast, Tasmania, New Zealand, and South Pacific. Good for Australians to know, if a Princess ship is starting an itinerary from Australia, the currency on board is in Australian dollars. Gratuities are typically an additional charge. However, Princess Cruises often includes them in the fare for passengers booking from Australia and New Zealand. I hope you've enjoyed this summary of the Crown Princess. I hope this has helped Australians become more familiar with this ship so that you can enjoy her while she's based here for the 24-25 Australian summer. If you would like to see more helpful cruise updates and advice, please subscribe to my channel, Cruise Tips for Australians. Thanks, guys.